Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss one of the important chapter from your accountancy second year, non-profit organization, under which we are going to discuss one of the problem you will find on page number 124 in your accountancy Telugu Academy textbook. In this question, the questioner has asked you to prepare receipts and payments account. Receipts and payments account consist of 4 columns: receipts, amount in rupees; payments, amount in rupees. So there are 4 columns in receipts and payments account: receipts, amount in rupees; payments, amount in rupees. The questioner will give you a question and all the transactions is mixed. You need to segregate the question or separate the receipts and payment from the question, extract the information and post according to the receipts and payments. So you have to segregate the questions. All the receipts in the questions you need to write on receipt side and post the transaction which is related to payment on the payment side. Let's see how to solve the problem. Again I am telling you, you will find the question on page number 124, question number 1 in your second year accountancy new Telugu Academy textbook. The question is, from the following transactions or from the following details you need to prepare receipts and payments account: opening balance of cash, opening balance of bank. It has given you the details like this. So you need to break down the balance and write on a receipt side to balance brought down: opening balance of cash and opening balance of bank, cash balance and bank balance. How much it has mentioned? 1500 and 4500. 1500, 4500. So 1500 plus 4500 is 6000 rupees is the opening balance. To balance brought down 6000. Subscription collected. What do you mean by subscription? Means nothing but the amount which is paid by the members of a particular organization or a non-profit organization. The amount which is given by the members, those who are the subscriber, those who are the people, those who paid for the welfare of the society of an organization which works for non-profit, which doesn't work for profit. So subscription is collected, means it comes under receipts. So to subscription. How much? 8000 rupees. Next, it has given in the question that entertainment show receipts 4000. So we are receiving the amount in the name of entertainment show. To entertainment show 4000. What we are doing? Just we are getting the information from the question, extracting the information from the question and we are segregating the information. The transaction which is related to receipts we are writing on the receipt side. If the transaction is mentioned that if we are paying some amount, then we have to write on a payment side. Still we are not getting any payment transaction, so that's why we have not written all the details which is mentioned in the question related to receipts till now. So we have written the details like opening balance, to balance brought down, cash, bank; subscription collected, to subscription; and as well as to entertainment show receipts has been collected. Here entrance fees received, how much? 2000. So we received entrance fees to entrance fee. How much? 2000. So all the amounts what you have received, all the transactions, the amount what you have received, you have to write on a receipt side. And if you are making some payments, write on a credit side, which is nothing but payments. Computer purchased. As you purchased computer, you need to pay some amount. That is why you have to write on a credit side payments column. Buy computer. How much? For 3000 rupees. Next, tournament expenses it has given. Expenses in the sense you have incurred some expenses means you made some payment in the name of tournament expenses. So that payment, that expenses is nothing but payment. So you made some payments, that is why tournament expenses comes under payments column. Buy tournament expenses. How much? 3000. Next, entertainment show expenses. For the purpose of entertainment show, few of the expenses incurred. How much is the amount? 1800 rupees. So expenses means nothing but you made some payment for the purpose of entertainment show. So entertainment show expenses comes under credit side, which means comes under payment side because you made some payment for that. So buy entertainment expenses or entertainment show expenses. Buy entertainment show expenses. How much? 1800 rupees, 1800. What's next? Paid for periodicals. Here we are paying means we are paying in the sense the amount is going out and which should comes under your payment side. How much is the amount? 1200 rupees it has given. 1200. By periodicals. Salaries paid. Again salaries paid 1200 rupees. Right. By salaries 1200. Rent paid. So you are making some payment for the purpose of rent. You have to write on the payment side, credit side, buy rent. How much is the amount? 4000. Cash in hand at close, which means at the end of the day carried on balance of the cash is rupees 1800 is given in the question. Buy balance carry down, under which cash bank, cash and bank. Now how much amount is given? 1800 rupees. Cash is mentioned. So we have to find what is the closing balance of bank. How you are going to find means total of receipt side and total of payment side. Once you do that, then you will come to know which balance is highest, debit side or credit side. Receipts 6000, this is working notes for you. 8000, 4000, 2000. What is the total? You need to add 8, 6, 14, 14 plus 4, 18, 20,000 is the total of receipts. And how much payments you have made? 3,000, 3,000, 1,800, 1,200, again 1,200 and 4,000. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, carry 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14. So 14,200 you have made the payments. Now from 20,000 minus this 14,000, from this 20,000 minus the amount 14,200. The balance of cash is 1,800. Now minus this cash balance as well from this 5,800. So you will come to know the answer. So bank balance is 4,000. Total how much you are having now? 5,800, out of which 1,800 you have to minus. From 5,800 minus 1,800, so you will come to know that the answer is balance in the end of the receipts in payments account is 4,000 rupees. So by balance carry down, cash 1,800, 4,000 rupees is the bank balance. To close it, 20,000 here. 20,000. So this is your carried on balance. Again I will tell you, receipts in payments account consists of 4 columns. Receipts amount, payments amount. The questionnaire will ask you to prepare receipts in payments account, means the question is given to you by mixed entries of receipts and payments. So you need to segregate that entry. All the receipts and received amount you have to write on receipts column, and whatever the payments you have made, so you have to write here. So like that, to balance brought down, cash 1,500, bank 4,500 is given. This is the opening balance of cash. At the end of the day, the closing balance of the cash is 1,800 is given in the question. We have to find the closing balance of bank, which is 4,000 rupees. All the payments what we have made is mentioned here. All the receipts what we have collected we mentioned here. So the total of receipts is 20,000. The total payments what we have made is 14,200. From 20,000 minus 14,200 you will get the answer 5,800. Out of this 5,800 minus the cash which is mentioned in the question, the closing cash is 1,800. From 5,800 minus 1,800 you will come to know the closing balance of bank. So closing balance of bank is 4,000 rupees. This is your answer. Thank you everyone.